If your study routine feels hard, it's wrong. Because the perfect routine doesn't rely on motivation. It removes the need for it. Here's the routine. Simple, brutal, effective. Step 1. Start with 5 minutes. Not 2 hours, not big goals, just 5 minutes. Because starting is everything. Step 2. Use 45-10 rule. Study 45 minutes, break for 10. No phone during study, no guilt during break. Step 3. Have only 3 tasks per day. Not 10, not 15, just 3. Because too many goals equals 0 action. Step 4. Same time every day. Not whenever I feel like it. Fixed time equals automatic action. Now here's the truth no one tells you. Your routine is not failing because it's bad. It's failing because it's too complicated. Perfection kills consistency. Simple builds discipline. Do this daily and something weird happens. You stop forcing yourself to study. You just start. And once that happens, discipline is no longer a struggle. It becomes your default. So don't chase the perfect routine. Follow one that's so simple your brain can't reject it. Because the best routine isn't the hardest one. It's the one you actually follow.